Pussyfoot. Pussyfoot is a non-alcoholic mixed drink made with orange juice, lemon juice, lime juice, egg yolk, and a splash of grenadine syrup, garnished with orange slice and maraschino cherry. Take note, egg yolk or egg white is potential hazardous if used incorrectly. For those who fear raw egg, white egg in a cocktail, or who just like egg, you don't like egg at all, a better substitute for egg white or egg yolk in a sour and pieces chickpea juice, or also known as aguafaba. I just only demonstrate how to make this Pussyfoot, but I'm not recommended to use the raw egg or egg yolk, so it's up to you. First, we start with orange juice, 60 ml of orange juice, ml of lemon juice, 30 ml of lime juice. It's better this some a little bit. Splash of grenadine, but it's better to put 5 ml, much better. And now, supposed to be we will use egg yolk, but I will put everything, egg yolk and egg white. But this one is not recommended to, but you can make it. Now, first I will shake a dry shake. It means the dry shake without any ice to mix all. And now the second step is put ice, and make a hard shake. Now, put some ice, Make a garnish. Inside. Your Pussyfoot is ready. Enjoy your Pussyfoot.